Let's lock in. We're going to start this thing off with a mustard binder. Rub it into your tri-tip and get that Smokin Bros Rubs on. Once the rub's on, get that grill going. Today, we're using that Jealous Devil Max with a Tiger McCool fire starter. Dump that chimney and get that Jealous Devil wood block going. Get that tri-tip on that kettle and let's start on this asparagus. Cut the bases off and get some butter going. Put your asparagus down and let's go with that Smokin Bros Rubs. Once this thing is coated in rubs, you're going to take some olive oil and give it a nice little coat. Fold up foil and put that thing right back on that smoker. You know I had to make that cowboy butter for this tri-tip. The ingredients are going to be in the description below the post. Let's get that tri-tip seared and let's get this thing going. Thank you and enjoy. All right, the tri-tip has had its rest. We smoked it for about 2 hours and then put it on the Blackstone to get that nice quality sear on there. It should be cooked to around a medium. Let's see. I'm telling you, don't sleep on Smokin Bros Rubs. That's fire. All right, so you can see how juicy this tri-tip is. So if you've never had tri-tip, I heavily recommend it. There. Now that's a tri-tip. That's a wrap.